The GMKtec K15 AI Mini is here, and it's about to change the game for anyone who's ever needed a powerful computer on the go. With its ultra-portable design and mind-blowing performance, this tiny titan can handle anything you throw at it, from video editing to gaming, and everything in between. Let's dive in and explore what makes this mini PC so special. First up, we've got the brains behind the operation. The Intel Core Ultra 5 125U processor. What does that mean for you? In simple terms, it means you get an insane amount of power packed into a tiny package, 14 threads of processing power, courtesy of hyperthreading technology, which doubles the core count of the P-cores. That's like having twice as many workers on your team, doing their job faster and more efficiently. And with a boost clock speed of up to 4.3 GHz, this thing can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. But power isn't everything. We also need to talk about memory and storage. The GMKtec K15 AI Mini comes equipped with 48 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is more than enough for even the most intense gaming sessions or video editing sprees. And when it comes to storage, you've got a whopping 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD drive, complete with 3 M.2 2280 expansion slots. That means you can add up to 8 TB of storage to your mini PC, giving you the flexibility to store all your files, programs, and games in one convenient package. Now, let's talk about displays, because when it comes to content creation or gaming, having multiple screens at your disposal can be a total game changer. The GMKtec K15 AI Mini supports 4-screen 4K/8K output via HDMI 2.1, 8K at 60 Hz, DisplayPort 1.4, 4K at 60 Hz, and USB Type-C transfer speed, making it perfect for gamers and content creators who need to stay productive on the go. Another feature that's definitely worth mentioning is the Oculink port on the rear interface. What does this do? Simply put, it gives you faster bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates, and lower lag, all of which are crucial for eGPU setups. And with a PCIe X4 speed standard, this mini PC can handle even the most demanding graphics tasks without breaking a sweat. But what about connectivity? The GMKtec K15 AI Minis got you covered there too. With dual Ethernet 2.5 GB LAN ports, built-in Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, you can stay connected to your network or devices from anywhere, whether that's for work, gaming, or just staying in touch with loved ones. Finally, let's talk about cooling, because when it comes to high-performance computing, heat can be a real issue. The GMKtec K15 AI Minis got this covered too. With dual fans that deliver silent, ultra-efficient cooling, just 35 dB in quiet mode. And if you want to personalize your rig's vibe, there are 13 dazzling RGB lighting modes to choose from, so you can make it truly unique. So what does it all add up to? With the GMKtec K15 AI Mini, you get a powerful computer that's small enough to take with you anywhere, but still packs a punch when it comes to performance. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, portable workspace, whether that's a freelancer looking for a way to stay productive on the go, or a gamer who wants to take their setup to the next level. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your computing experience. Head over to our store now to get your GMKtec K15 AI Mini today.